All right, reviewing solving for y, meaning putting equations into slope-intercept form. This is going to be important for that first step of solving systems of linear equations by substitution. We got to make sure we solve for y. So just a review here, we want to make sure that we need to get y by itself. So we find the side that has y on it, which is the left side, and we move everything that's not a y first. So we have negative 2x plus y equals 8. We have y on the left side. We need to move this negative 2x to this side. So we got to move this over here. Now, we do this by opposite operation. So the opposite of negative 2x is plus 2x. Opposite of minus is plus. Whatever we do to one side, we need to do to the other. So we're going to cancel here. We drop our y down. Y equals. Now, 8 and negative 2x you cannot combine because they both don't have an x. The negative 2x obviously does, the 8 does not. So we cannot combine these because they're not like terms. So what we have to do, what we want to do is we want to put the x first, so negative 2x. And this is a positive 8 because there's no sign in front, so we're going to say plus 8 just like that. Because we want this to mirror y equals mx plus b. We want that x to come first, so we say y equals negative 2x plus 8. Now there's nothing left on the left side, so our final equation, y equals negative 2x plus 8. That would be an equation solved for y. Let's take a look at another example that's already been finished. We had negative 2y plus 6x equals negative 14. So what I did was I subtracted 6x because we need to move whatever's not a y to the other side. The opposite of plus 6x is minus 6x, so we subtracted. We canceled. Then we dropped it down. We were left with, now what I had to do here was we have to make sure we drop down negative 2y and not just 2y. If we drop down 2y, we're going to get an incorrect equation. So I dropped down negative 2y, which was negative 2y equals negative 6x minus 14 because these were not like terms. Now, to get rid of the negative 2, we have to divide by negative 2. Make sure you don't divide just by 2. We divide by negative 2. We do that to both sides. Now, it cancels on this side and we're left with y. Now, on this side, we have to make our heart because we have to divide both terms by this number, negative 2. So we have to divide negative 6x by negative 2 and negative 14 by negative 2. So, negative 6x divided by negative 2 is positive 3x. Negative 14 divided by negative 2, positive 7. So this right here is going to be your final equation. So go ahead and rewind that if you need to, if you need a refresher on solving for y.